Best TV wall mounts are essential accessories that help you securely attach your TV to the wall while improving viewing comfort and saving space. They come in different types: fixed, tilting, and full motion, each offering varying levels of flexibility for better viewing angles and reduced glare. Choosing the right mount depends on your TV size, weight, visa compatibility, and the level of movement you need for your setup. Starting at number 1. Vogel's Wall 3345 Wall Mount. The Vogel's Wall 3345 is a reliable full-motion TV wall mount designed for easy installation and universal compatibility. It supports televisions ranging from 40 to 65 inches and has a maximum weight capacity of 67 kilograms, making it ideal for various models including smart TVs, HD TVs, and OLED displays. The mount features an articulating design that allows for a maximum tilt angle of 20 degrees and swiveling up to 180 degrees, with an extension of 22 inches for optimal viewing angles. Installation is made simple with the TV Mount Guide app available for both Android and iOS, guiding users through the setup process and helping to find the perfect position on the wall. Constructed from alloy steel and finished in white, this mount combines durability with aesthetic appeal. Number 2. Mounting Dream TV Wall Mount. The Mounting Dream TV wall mount is designed for televisions ranging from 37 to 75 inches and can support a weight of up to 132 pounds, with a maximum VESA compatibility of 600 mm 400 mm and suitable for 24-inch wood stud spacing. This low-profile wall mount brings the TV just 1.5 inches closer to the wall, making it a space-saving solution that also enhances the aesthetics of your room. It allows for a forward tilt of up to 8 degrees, which helps reduce glare and improve the viewing experience. Installation is straightforward, requiring only 3 steps with clear instructions provided. However, it is important to note that not all mounts are suitable for drywall alone, and additional concrete anchors may be necessary. For those preferring a single-piece design, the MD2268XL model is recommended. Number 3. Pipishell Full Motion TV Wall Mount. The Pipishell wall mount is designed for optimal viewing of televisions and monitors ranging from 13 to 43 inches with a maximum weight capacity of 44 kilograms. This swivel and articulating mount is compatible with various brands including Samsung, Sony, LG, and Vizio, and supports VESA mounting patterns from 75 to 200 mm. It can be installed on single wood studs, concrete, or brick walls. The mount features a full motion design, allowing for a tilt of plus 9 to reduce glare, a maximum swivel of 90 degrees to adjust the display left or right based on seating position, and a 360-degree rotation for both landscape and portrait orientations. Additionally, it extends up to 14.59 inches and can retract back to 2.7 inches, helping to save space while enhancing the viewing experience. The product also comes with a 5-year availability for EU spare parts and has a global trade identification number of 00728370350838. Number 4. PERLESMITH Tilting TV Wall Mount. The PERLESMITH wall mount is designed for televisions ranging from 23 inches to 60 and can support up to 115 kilograms, 52 kilograms. It features a tilt movement type, allowing a maximum tilt angle of 7 degrees for enhanced viewing comfort while minimizing glare. Constructed from high-quality alloy steel, this mount ensures safety and stability, having been tested to hold 4 times its rated weight according to UL standards. It is compatible with VESA mounting patterns from 75 mm to 400 mm and can be installed on wood studs, concrete, or brick walls, but should not be mounted on drywall alone. The mount keeps the back of the TV just 1.2 inches from the wall, providing a sleek appearance and saving space. Additionally, it includes a locking mechanism with a quick release feature for easy TV attachment and removal, along with a bubble level for accurate installation. Number 5. USX Mount Full Motion TV Wall Mount. The USX Mount Full Motion TV wall mount for 42 to 90-inch TVs is a durable and flexible mounting solution designed to enhance your home entertainment setup. Built to support most 42 to 90-inch flat-screen, LED, and 4K TVs, it features a strong dual-arm articulating design that allows for smooth swivel, tilt, and extension, giving you optimal viewing angles from anywhere in the room. With compatibility for VISA patterns up to 600 by 400 mm and support for TVs weighing up to 132 mm, it ensures both stability and reliability. The mount is designed for easy installation on wood studs up to 16 inches apart, making it a practical and space-saving choice for creating a clean, modern look in any living space.